Alright, here's my attempt at operating this thing for you. This is the radio I operate all the time. Of course, I've got other radios. This one's been channeled. They put my channel switch where the headphone jack would be. On this one, to change channels, if you see I'm on channel 21, 27215, they did away with the talkback button, so if you like talkback, you might want to consider that. You switch this, and it goes to the lower channels that we talk on all the time, 26895. You can clarify this. It's got a clarifier. Hit the clarifier. You can clarify that. I'm so shaky, I don't know that I'll get it, but it's close enough to show you to operate. On this model, you'll have to study on these. This is where your variable power is. I'll turn it all the way down. You got SWR, modulate, power. You've got your dim light and tone, mic gain, RF gain, upper and lower sideband and AM, naturally clarifier. There's your noise blankers. They work. This is another noise blanker. This is your 9 and 19 if you know, for your emergency stuff. Something I never use, your squelch and your volume. It's on. I'll turn it up just so you can hear it. So for now, I have got this thing on low. The power is low. Now I'm going to move it up here to watch my LP700. Hopefully you can see that. I'll try to zoom in on it. The lighting can be really weird on these. Hopefully you can see that. Sorry, I'm not the best videographer, if that's even a word. So I'm going to dead key it. Here will be the lower dead key all the way down. About a half a watt. Audio. Audio. About 18.3. I think that's about max on these radios. I'll just start rolling this dead key up once I quit talking. We got this dead key set at about 1.5 watts in case you want to drive it into a low drive amp. It's got plenty of swing, so I'll key up and talk on this here. Audio test, 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 audio, audio. So you're looking at about 18 watts is peak on this thing, which is great. I will tell you, a lot of people think they're ugly. I like them. They're handy. You can actually put it in a vehicle if you want. It's got a, you can use it in 12 volts, or you can plug it in the wall. I have never seen one mounted in a car because it's a pretty big radio. Kind of remind you of something you'd see the cops on. But anyway, if you have any questions, it does have Roger beep. It works. Has PA. I've never tried a PA on any radio I have. But it's working great. If I had anybody out there, I'd ask somebody to holler back at us, but I don't know that I've got anybody. Of course, I'm way out in the middle of nowhere. See, even the Super Bowl's dead. This is January 9th of 05. See if you got any sidebanders out there. It is dead tonight. Anyway, I've talked on that sideband with some locals. It's a good radio. Very good radio. You look online, they're anywhere from, well, they'll have a variation here, 463 to 522, depending on who you buy them from. I know this thing's not brand new. I'm going to be stuck at 375. I won't go any lower. If you're a great person, want to give me more, I appreciate that, but I wouldn't expect it. and it will be, shipping will be on the buyer. So it's a great radio. I will throw in, I've got a choice of a Cobra stock mic, 4-pin, good looking mic, or if you'd rather, this would be my choice, but I'll let you choose. I can throw in a Striker stock mic. They're both kind of the, I don't know, I call them the, people call them the coffin style. They look about the same. But anyway, either one of those I'll send with it if you want it. If you don't want them, just let me know. Anyway, go ahead and message me on Messenger with any questions you have. So $375 is going to be my bottom dollar on it. And that's what I'm going to list it for. To be honest, I think I gave $350 for it. So I've got to make something on it. Anyway, I'll just let you know, you've probably never heard of me. I'm not an active seller. I'm more of a buyer. I've got folks that know me very well. I know Kevin Barnett from Big Dog Amps. I've bought a lot of stuff from him. Chuck Bruner, Panic Attack knows me, 1137. So there's a lot of guys out there that know me, know my integrity, but I do make mistakes. Anyway, any questions, just message me. I appreciate you watching the video.